The excitement around the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is building as leaks and rumors continue to surface, giving us a clearer picture of what this flagship phone might bring. Let's dive into all the details that have come out so far. According to Sanju Chaudhary, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra will feature a 200-megapixel periscope zoom lens with a 4.3x optical zoom, f2.6 aperture, and a Samsung ISOCELL HP 9.1 to 1.4-inch sensor. This cutting-edge camera module is accompanied by a 50-megapixel Sony primary sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens of Samsung JN5, and a 50-megapixel telephoto lens of Sony IMX858 offering 3 times optical zoom. Interestingly, the telephoto lens is rumored to have a physical focal length of around 25 times millimeters. The front camera is no slouch either, featuring a 32-megapixel sensor. Rumors suggest that the main camera sensor will be even larger than the 1-inch sensor seen in its predecessor, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. Completing the design, the rear module will have horizontally aligned dual-flash LEDs, while the Xiaomi logo will be vertically placed at the bottom left. Interestingly, these leaks about the camera setup, featuring a bold circular module with Leica branding, were already confirmed by Digital Chat Station on Weibo. The leaked details align closely with earlier images shared by the SmartPris. The circular camera module, a standout feature of the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, remains the focal point of the back panel, confirming the consistency in the leaks. The off-center placement of the periscope lens mirrors previous reports, highlighting Xiaomi's dedication to integrating advanced hardware without compromising the overall design balance. Another recent post by a Weibo user, Mr. Water, says the device retains the signature large circular camera module, and the leaked image provides a closer look at the camera placements, aligning with previously leaked renders. Notably, the periscope telephoto camera has shifted to occupy the entire top row. The device is expected to sport a 6.7-inch 2K quad-curved LTPO OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. This display not only promises vibrant colors and deep contrasts, but also delivers smooth scrolling and an immersive viewing experience. The Dragon Crystal Glass 2.2 provides extra durability. The Snapdragon 8 Elite Chipset powers the 15 Ultra, promising faster speeds, better energy efficiency, and improved AI capabilities. Xiaomi has a history of adopting Qualcomm's latest chipsets for its flagship devices and this next-generation processor. This upcoming flagship device is expected to run on HyperOS 2.0, Xiaomi's new operating system based on Android 15. Battery life is another area where Xiaomi aims to impress. The 15 Ultra is rumored to pack a massive 6,200 mAh battery. Charging capabilities remain competitive with support for 90-watt wired charging and 80-watt wireless charging. Xiaomi is also integrating proprietary chips like the P3 fast-charging chip and the G1 battery management chip to optimize battery health and charging efficiency further. According to a tweet by Yogesh Brar, if Xiaomi sticks to this schedule, we might see the phone unveiled in January 2025 in China, with a global release likely in March. As for pricing, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra was priced at £1,299 in the UK, which translates to around $1,640. Are these leaks and rumors getting you excited for its release? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the latest tech news and reviews.